Today, I'm going to be replacing the activated carbon filter on my Bambu Labs X1 Carbon 3D printer. If you're looking for a new carbon air filter for your 3D printer, this is a pretty nice one. Just remember factors like the type of filament that you print with, environmental humidity, and even time can significantly impact its actual longevity. Consider replacing it every 3 to 6 months as a preventative measure if you rarely use it, or sooner if you smell odors during prints. That's what we did. We haven't printed for a few months, so we decided to put a new cartridge in and start fresh. The first thing I did is I used a damp, static, and lint-free towel to wipe everything down so that no dust gets into the printer while I open it up. Just open it up here so I can see what I'm doing. It looks like it's right back in here where that tape is, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. There's a little nib right here, and I'm just pulling on that. And then here's the filter, the old one. Here's the new filter. It has a black one instead of a white one, but this pull tab should be facing to the front like this so that I can pull it out. Then that way when I replace it, I can just get in there and pull it out. And there's the old filter. The only difference is the new one had a black tab and this one has a white tab. So this tab sticks up and I can't get it to face down. And if I push it in like that, then there won't be anything to grab onto. But when I put this in here, that sticks up. And then I think when I push this in, maybe this way it'll work. That's it. So then I just push this down here. And now I got a nice flush fit with that tab sticking inside. So just make sure the tab's not sticking out of the top, and then you'll have a nice snug fit. All right, now we're all ready to go. I just put the old one in here and I'll throw it away. This was a 2-pack, so I have the other one still wrapped in the plastic and in the bubble wrap, so this will protect it from getting dust or absorbing any different smells or anything in the room. And then when I need a new one, I can just put this one in there.